Jonathan from Rain Brothers here, rainbrothers.com. Today I am very pleased to announce the release of our own cistern pumps, the Springer Series Automatic and the Springer Series Traditional cistern pumps. The automatic pump is available in 3/4 and half horsepower models. It comes with a removable pump base, so you can get that intake on the pump off the floor of your cistern, or you can keep it removed if you want to use your pump with one of our floating intake sleeves. This pump has built-in pressure switch and flow sensor that will automatically detect when flow is being required and will kick the pump on automatically. With this particular pump, there's no need for an external pressure tank or any sort of external pressure switch. It is completely automatic, so you plumb right to it, directly to your fixtures, directly to your yard hydrant, etc. The pump comes with a 9-foot cord with 3 bare leads that you would either wire directly to a dedicated circuit on your electrical panel or wire in a supplemental plug that you could plug into an outlet. This pump is perfect for cabin water supply. It's perfect for if you have a trailer home, mobile home, tiny home, something where you don't have room for a pressure tank. This is a great pump for you. It's also great for direct feed from if you want a pump that you can drop in your cistern and hook it to a hose to spray water your garden. This is the pump for you. You can run it directly to a frost-free yard hydrant or to an outdoor spigot. Or if you have an irrigation system that uses spray heads only, this is a great pump for you. We also have our Springer Series Traditional pump, which is available in half horsepower only, but we have 115 volt and 230 volt models for this pump. Again, we have a removable pump base that you can choose to use or not. Just like the automatic pump, it has a built-in check valve on the top. So when you pop off this top cap, you'll see a check valve in there. Do not remove that. That is internal to the pump. The pump also comes with a built-in low-level float switch that will automatically turn the pump off if the water in your tank gets too low. If you want to bypass this switch, simply tape this switch in the upright position to your pressure plumbing coming off the top of your pump. That will bypass and disable the float switch. Like the automatic pump, this pump comes with 9-foot cord with 3 bare leads that you would wire ultimately directly to a pressure switch located on a pressure tank and then into your electrical panel. With a traditional pump, you do need to use a pressure tank, minimum 20-gallon capacity to operate the system, and you also need an external pressure switch. You can use either our pump control tank T kit or our digital pressure control switch, both of which are available on our website, www.rainbrothers.com. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope you love this pump as much as we do.